To add a video to the announcements area, we're going to go to Announcements, New Announcement, add a title. So if this is a welcome video, I'm going to title it that. Now you can go here and you can search YouTube. Now this has been a very unreliable tool, and it doesn't appear that Brightspace interfaces well searching the YouTube database. So I typically go down to Insert Link. I'm going to paste my URL. Next. And here's my video preview. I'm going to click Insert. Now there are a few other settings that you can choose to activate or not. It is entirely up to you. But then you would hit Publish. Now with that, we can see it's in there. We're going to go look at it from the course home. And I kind of look at this. It looks okay, but I want to go back and edit this. I want to add a short description underneath. So we're going to click on that. Edit. I'm going to click within the box and just some simple instructions. Please watch video before starting. Alright. Now you can see that since I did edit this, that is going to give me the option, this is a major edit, please send a notification and restore it for those who dismiss it. So if you had something like in the beginning of the semester and you decided to update something and there's a possibility that students have dismissed it, you can get this in front of them again by clicking this box. Okay? And we have all of our additional settings we can choose. Click Update. And now when I go back to Course Home, I can see that I've added text in there now. So that's how you add video and edit an announcement in Brightspace. If you have any questions, please contact Caleb or myself. We are in the basement of Cowan Hall in room 110. Thank you.